You should increase the distance between your vehicle and the vehicle ahead when you A. Are following a small passenger vehicle, B. Are being tailgated by another driver, C. Are driving more slowly than the posted speed limit. Correct answer, B. Are being tailgated by another driver. To avoid last-minute moves, you should be looking down the road to where your vehicle will be in about A. 5 to 10 seconds, B. 10 to 15 seconds, C. 15 to 20 seconds. Correct answer, B. 10 to 15 seconds. A solid yellow line next to a broken yellow line means that vehicles A. Next to the broken line may pass, B. Next to the solid line may pass, C. In both directions may pass. Correct answer, A. Next to the broken line may pass. You are driving on a 5-lane freeway in the lane closest to the center divider. To exit the freeway on the right, you should A. Carefully cross all lanes at one time, B. Change lanes one at a time until you are in the proper lane, C. Slow before beginning each lane change. Correct answer, B. Change lanes one at a time until you are in the proper lane. At intersections, crosswalks, and railroad crossings, you should always A. Stop, listen, and proceed cautiously, B. Look to the sides of your vehicle to see what is coming, C. Slowly pass vehicles that seem to be stopped for no reason. Correct answer, B. Look to the sides of your vehicle to see what is coming. When passing another vehicle, it is safe to return to your lane if you A. Cannot see the vehicle directly to your right, B. See the vehicle's headlights in your rearview mirror, C. Have passed the other vehicle's front bumper. Correct answer, B. See the vehicle's headlights in your rearview mirror. You're driving in the far right lane of a multi-lane freeway. A line of 5 cars is merging into your lane ahead from an on-ramp. You should A. Maintain your speed and position, B. Slow down to let the other vehicles merge, C. Speed up to pass the merging vehicles. Correct answer, B. Slow down to let the other vehicles merge. What should you do if you plan to pass another vehicle? A. Assume the other driver will let you pass if you use your turn signal. B. Signal and pass when safe to do so. C. Flash your headlights to alert the other driver. Correct answer, B. Signal and pass when safe to do so. When you see a yellow school bus with its red lights flashing, you should A. Stop and remain stopped until the lights stop flashing, B. Slow down and proceed with caution, C. Pass the bus quickly before the lights start flashing. Correct answer, A. Stop and remain stopped until the lights stop flashing. When making a right turn from a highway with 2 lanes in your direction, you may turn from A. The lane nearest the curb or edge of the roadway, B. Either lane depending on oncoming traffic, C. The left lane if the other lanes are occupied. Correct answer, A. The lane nearest the curb or edge of the roadway. The speed limit in any alley is A. 15 miles per hour, B. 20 miles per hour, C. 25 miles per hour. Correct answer, A. 15 miles per hour. When can you drive using only your parking lights? A. 30 minutes after sunset or 30 minutes before sunrise. B. On foggy days when visibility is low. C. Under no circumstances. Correct answer, C. Under no circumstances. You see a signal with a yellow arrow. What does this mean? A. The protected turning time period is ending. B. You should speed up to make the turn before the light changes. C. You have the right of way to turn. Correct answer. A. The protected turning time period is ending. If you drive faster than other vehicles on a road with one lane in each direction and continually pass the other cars, you will A. Help prevent traffic congestion. B. Increase your chances of an accident. C. Get you to your destination faster. Correct answer. B. Increase your chances of an accident. You should signal continuously while turning because it A. Is illegal to turn off your signal before completing a turn. B. Lets other drivers know what your intentions are. C. Is required by law within city limits only. Correct answer. B. Lets other drivers know what your intentions are. You are approaching an intersection. The traffic signal light is flashing red. What should you do? A. Slow down and proceed with caution. B. Stop before entering, then proceed when safe. C. Proceed as if the light is green. Correct answer. B. Stop before entering, then proceed when safe. You must yield the right of way to an emergency vehicle by A. Pulling as far to the right side of the road as possible and stopping. B. Speeding up to clear the lane. C. Moving into the right lane and driving slowly until it has passed. Correct answer. A. Pulling as far to the right side of the road as possible and stopping. You may cross double yellow lines to pass another vehicle if the A. Yellow line next to your side of the road is broken. B. Yellow line next to the other side of the road is broken. C. Lines are solid on both sides. Correct answer. A. Yellow line next to your side of the road is broken. When driving at night on a dimly lit street, you should A. Drive slowly enough so you can stop within the area illuminated by your headlights. B. Turn on your high beams to better see the road ahead. C. Drive as you would during the day. Correct answer. A. Drive slowly enough so you can stop within the area illuminated by your headlights. A flashing red traffic light at an intersection means A. Slow down before entering. B. Stop before entering. C. Stop and wait until it turns green. Correct answer. B. Stop before entering. Here, when parking downhill on a two-way street, your front wheels should be A. Turn to the left toward the street. B. Turn to the right away from the street. C. Turn to the right toward the curb. Correct answer. C. Turn to the right toward the curb. When you are merging onto the freeway, you should be driving A. At or near the same speed as the traffic on the freeway. B. 5 to 10 miles per hour slower than the traffic on the freeway. C. The posted speed limit for freeway traffic. Correct answer. A. At or near the same speed as the traffic on the freeway. The following statements about blind spots is true. A. Blind spots are eliminated if you have one outside mirror on each side of the vehicle. B. Large trucks have bigger blind spots than most passenger vehicles. C. Blind spots can be checked by looking in your rearview mirrors. Correct answer. B. Large trucks have bigger blind spots than most passenger vehicles. You must notify the DMV within 10 days if you A. Are cited for a traffic violation. B. Sell or transfer your vehicle. C. Paint your vehicle a different color. Correct answer, B. Sell or transfer your vehicle. When parking next to a curb, you should use your turn signals. A. Only when pulling away from the curb. B. When pulling next to but not away from the curb. C. When pulling next to or away from the curb. Correct answer, C. When pulling next to or away from the curb. You are driving on a freeway posted for 65 miles per hour. Most of the other vehicles are driving 70 miles per hour or faster. You may legally drive A. 70 miles per hour or faster to keep up with the speed of traffic. B. Between 65 miles per hour and 70 miles per hour. C. No faster than 65 miles per hour. Correct answer, C. No faster than 65 miles per hour. You must carefully watch for bicycles in traffic lanes because they A. Must ride facing oncoming traffic. B. Could be hidden in your blind spots. C. Usually have the right of way. Correct answer, B. Could be hidden in your blind spots. When driving in traffic at night on a dimly lit street, you should A. Drive slowly enough so you can stop within the area lighted by your headlights. B. Turn on your high beam headlights to better see the vehicles ahead of you. C. Keep your instrument panel lights bright to be more visible to other drivers. Correct answer, A. Drive slowly enough so you can stop within the area lighted by your headlights. You are driving on the freeway and notice another driver using a handheld cell phone. What is the best thing to do? A. Honk your horn and wave to the driver to stop using the phone. B. Increase your following distance. C. Get closer to the vehicle so the driver can see you. Correct answer, B. Increase your following distance. When you see a flashing yellow traffic signal at an intersection, you should A. Stop before entering the intersection. B. Slow down and cross the intersection carefully. C. Proceed through the intersection without slowing. Correct answer, B. Slow down and cross the intersection carefully. You are required to wear your safety belt in a moving vehicle. A. Unless the vehicle was manufactured before 1978. B. Unless you are riding in a limousine. C. And failure to do so will result in a traffic ticket. Correct answer, C. And failure to do so will result in a traffic ticket. If you are convicted by the court of a first DUI offense, your driving privileges will be suspended for at least A. 1 month, B. 6 months, C. 1 year. Correct answer, B. 6 months. A large truck is ahead of you and is turning right onto a street with 2 lanes in each direction. The truck, A. May complete its turn in either of the 2 lanes. B. May have to swing wide to complete the right turn. C. Must stay in the right lane at all times. Correct answer, B. May have to swing wide to complete the right turn. You are approaching a railroad crossing with no warning devices and are unable to see 400 feet down the tracks in one direction. The speed limit is A. 20 miles per hour, B. 25 miles per hour, C. 15 miles per hour. Correct answer, C. 15 miles per hour.